Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide. In today's video, I will be doing a battery test on the iPad Pro 2018 watching Netflix video. So since I'm not feeling too well today, I'm going to be benching on some Netflix video, and at the same time we will be doing a battery test just to see how long can this device last you. So the settings will be set to 100%. The screen brightness will be set to 100%. That's what I usually set it up to when I watch my videos. And of course, we've got the GPS or location turned off, Bluetooth off, only Wi-Fi where we are running. The capacity of the battery of this device, the 11-inch, is 7812 milliamp battery, as you can see from there. Okay, and right now we are currently at 100%. I still got the power supply plugged in, and I will increase the brightness right now, and we will be watching my favorite episode of this show here. So this is what I'm going to be watching. So I'm on episode 6. I'm pretty much almost done. Hopefully the battery life can last me through those 3 or 4 more episodes. And once I press this play button, I will start the timer, and we're gonna monitor every 1 hour, and at the same time we will check the battery life, the heat with the heat gun as well. Make sure that we are at a normal heat level. And yeah, so without further ado guys, let's start the show, and we'll see you at the end of the video. So here we go. Let me take this off first. Play.
Now for the church at Kernwit.
Check this off.
With an altar of gold, they say.
And perhaps
hey guys, so before we get going here deep in the video, let's check out the temperature, okay?
all fall to our knees before God.
I won't forget what Alfred did to me in the name of his God. I reject that God.
I will excuse myself.
Are you there still? The man I cared for.
Are you there still?
Nice. With me.
He's left your horses, Lord.
We keep moving. Without Wolf here.
Our plan doesn't change. We make our way to Otter's estate.
We cannot use the road roads.
We can make our way to my farmstead, and from there across covered ground to Otter's. And that is the safest. Forgive me, Lord.
Please, Lord. May the gods protect you on your quest.
Okay. My gods. Nothing, Lord. I meant no insult.
Save him, lead him. It's just a priest.
Drink water.
I need land. Yes. Lord, I need land. I need to get out. I need land! Back up! Years back in this place. Tell her who you are. Tell her you are servant.
I retreat of Bevan.
It is the custom to kneel.
Oh, there you have it guys. It looks like the battery is completely dead, and we were, what was that, 5 hours and 40 minutes. So that was a somewhat pretty long time binging on the Netflix video. The video that I was playing there is high resolution on the Netflix, and in total we got 5 hours and 40 minutes. So if you do compare this with other smartphone devices, it's somewhat in the mid-park when it comes to battery life. I've noticed a lot of other smartphone devices out there, they could last longer, but again, it is a smaller device when you compare it to the iPad Pro here, which has a bigger battery, so it should have compensated the longevity of the battery. But anyways, that's just the battery life on the iPad Pro 2018 when it comes to watching Netflix video in high resolution, only with Wi-Fi with screen display brightness at 100%. So that's pretty much it, guys. Once again, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.